Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to check your No Rush credit card balance on Amazon. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. If you have not, do log in. It is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on this search Amazon button and type No Rush Reward Credit Balance and simply hit on enter right now. Once you've clicked on it, a page like this will open up. And at the top, you can see something like No Rush, Shipping and Amazon Day Rewards. Click on the button right here. And guys, this is it. This is how you view your No Rush and Amazon Day Reward balance. Currently, the total rewards is 0. And guys, that's it. That's the gist of the video. That's how you watch your Amazon No Rush balance. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.